Hello, my name is David Nielsen, and I'm going to tell you about computerized maintenance management systems, also known as enterprise asset management. Areas covered in this presentation include an introduction, industry participants, functionality, system attributes and capabilities, operational improvements, implementation advantages and challenges, a growing demand for CMMS, EAM, and sources and conclusion. Introduction. Maintenance and operations managers use CMMS EAM in organizations whose assets require a great deal of maintenance. Basically, any environment where asset upkeep is essential to the operation of the organization. The goal of CMMS EAM is to optimize the use of scarce resources in those type of environments. For instance, an organization needs to have the right engineers and technicians available with the correct tools on hand, with fast and secure authorization for their expenses in order to get the correct pipes, wires, or whatever other type of material they need to get the job done. I'm now going to tell you about different organizations and companies that use CMMS EAM to benefit their organization. The first one is CERN, which is a high-energy particle physics organization headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. CERN, whose accelerator complex houses the Large Hadron Collider, which is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. CERN relies on Infor EAM, which is a brand of EAM software, to maintain more than 1 million items of equipment. The resulting success has provided invaluable security. Heinz Frozen Food Company, a division of the global food giant, saw 11% efficiency improvements, 5 to 10% maintenance cost reductions, and world-class levels of maintenance inventory management after implementing Infor EAM and lean principles. A workflow engine captures the process flow on a computer using customizable business rules, allowing users to see graphically what the flow looks like and determine the current status of items moving through the flow in order to create a best practice. Users can track asset condition using trend analysis for a variety of meters and combination of triggers, as well as alarming users, scheduling preventative maintenance routines, or taking corrective action automatically when a condition is reached. Maintenance managers can also manage their spare parts and physical assets by automating many of the supply chain functions, such as automatic procurement of spare parts or supplies, which will improve the reliability, utilization, performance, and operability of assets while minimizing the cost of labor and material. A modern-day CMMS EAM system comes with a vast array of modules to better compete with full ERP software. Typical modules are available for the following: operation locations, tracking operating locations of equipment and assets; equipment records, detailing bill of materials, preventative maintenance, scheduling, and service contracts; safety plans, which among the obvious also can track ratings for health dangers, flammability, reactivity, and material safety data sheets for hazardous materials; inventory control; work request, which is an integral part of CMMS, is to put out work requests to technicians and engineers, maintenance individuals; work order tracking, which is also the heart of the work order system, ties everything together, provides an instant access to detailed planning, scheduling, work plans, labor, materials, tools, costs, equipment, blueprints, related documents, and failure analysis; work management, planning, which plans and dispatches the proper maintenance and crew and equipment; quick reporting, a rapid and easy means for opening, reporting on, and closing work orders, and reporting on small jobs after the fact; preventative maintenance, set up criteria and conditioning to automatically put orders in for repair or maintenance work; utilities, tracking utilities consumption, distribution, use, allocation to users, and cost. Facilities and equipment history, purchasing, facilities maintenance contracts, key performance indicators and metrics, and specialized features, and an example being for IT asset management and consolidated IT solutions. Documented improvements in asset maintenance companies and industries report that asset availability, utilization, performance, and reliability are increased, along with quality of output, labor productivity, and warranty recoveries. The dramatic increase in warranty recoveries from the manufacturers can result in massive savings for the company. Reductions are seen in total cost of ownership, total wrench time, capital asset replacements, spare parts inventory levels and stockouts, and number of rush and expedited orders. Advantages of implementing a CMMS EAM system include that it can be deployed in a single building or an entire campus. It comes with many different modules to fill the organization's needs, and simple user interfaces for older, less technologically savvy maintenance employees. Disadvantages include that it's very expensive and a host of implementation issues, including incorrect assessment of needs, improper documenting of needs, neglecting to obtain management support, incomplete marketplace research, developing an in-house system, inadequate assessment of vendors, insufficient testing of software, deficient implementation planning, inadequate training and documentation, and misjudging data collection time. A growing demand is emerging for CMMS EAM systems, with the average age of maintenance and reliability professionals standing at around 55. It won't be long until that population of engineers and technicians retire and take with them 20 to 30 years of experience and expertise. Imagine a place like NASA, who has been running maintenance systems for many decades. Generations of their engineers and technicians have came through their organization. CMMS and EAM systems are excellent for industries with a high degree of emphasis on measurement for regulatory and compliance issues. It's also important for attracting investment, using key performance indicators properly, business intelligence, balanced scorecard capabilities, and data analysis and decision support tools. It's also important because many industries are starting to use smart assets such as RFID and GPS systems, and these can be expensive and need to be taken care of properly and accounted for. CMMS EAM systems are great for asset-heavy industries and in industries where continuous maintenance is a key success factor. If you are an IT manager considering implementation of a CMMS EAM system, make sure to do a careful case study and ROI analysis on your company's business needs before investing in the system in order to get the best value. Thank you for listening.